Hey guys, quick video right now. I've been using this mount here for my LCD monitors, for my screens for when I'm filming. And the thing is, I usually just slide them through this the hot shoe mount of this camera here. There you go. And that's how you use it. It's quick and it's effective. But lately I've been using this one here. This is the smallrig. I don't know what number, but yeah, it has the arri locating pins. So you can just put it here, the other way around. Just put it there. And yeah, there you go. Once you screw it in, it goes in perfectly. It's not as quick as the hot shoe mount, but the thing is, if you wreck your hot shoe, you wreck your camera. This one's in the cage and has an arri locating pins, wherein it's not going to rotate. And also there's a small pin here, that way your monitor doesn't spin. So it's very good, pretty effective. I can use it on my Sony A1s, or I can even use it on my smallrig cage for my FX3. Just mount it there. I can use it on the smallrig top handles, and it's pretty good. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with them, but we like these items here. So that's it.